Maayong buntag kinyong tanan. Oh, welcome to Cebu. I mean, really welcome as we say here in Cebu. Hindut kaayo nga adlaw, di ba? My name is JP A. Villanueva, but you can call me Kuya JP. I am beyond stoked to be your guide on this totally unforgettable journey. In Cebu, seriously guys, raise your hand if you're ready for adventure. Come on, don't be shy. Okay. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to appreciate this guapa place. It asks for a little guidance. Bow your head with me. Dear Lord, thank you for blessing us with this incredible day and the chance to explore with beauty of Cebu. Keep us safe as we journey. Open your hearts to the warmth of the people and help us appreciate the rich culture around us. Amen. And now, we are going ahead, count starting from reserve, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20. We are complete. But before we start our tour for today, we'll give you some friendly reminders. Now listen up, mga amigo ug amiga. You know, I'm here to make sure you have the most fun ever, but safety is always number one. So first, stay with the group. It's easy to get lost, so stick close and let me know if you need anything. Number two, ask question. I'm here to answer your question. And make sure you have a great experience. Number three, do not leave your things unattended for unnecessary loss. That's why I have three things here. I got a trusty Pito right here, a plug, and a fully loaded first aid kit. For a little usik-usik, so Kuya JP, why do you have that? If you're not feeling well, just call me. Is that clear? Our dear tourists, so relax, enjoy, and leave the worrying to me. Ready to subok? Alright, that's the spirit.
Send me on my way. Send me on my way. Send me on my way. Send me on my way.
Okay mga higala, listen up. Cebu is placed to be. This isn't just one island. It's a whole archipelago of awesome. We're taking 167 islands and islets, each with its own unique charm. We're the hearts of the Philippines, the oldest city, and we're prepared for epic beaches, towering mountains, damihan na pagkaon, and we're pure Cebuano. Charm, lastly, we would like to say, welcome to Cebu, Bitaw! Time check is already 7 in the morning, and we are entering your first destination. Alright, una sa tanan, we're plunging head first into the hearts of Cebu City, where history literally comes alive. Your first stop, the iconic landmark, Magellan Cross. This isn't just some odd face of the wood, mga amigos. Legend has it this cross was planted by Ferdinand Magellan himself way back in 1521. Imagine that over 500 years, it's a powerful symbol of the arrival of Christianity where it marks the beginning of the Cebu we know today. Kuyawa, no?
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
Just tikam, dua katikam, away is the Basilica del Santo Niño. This isn't just any church, mga bay. It's home to the Santo Niño, the child Jesus, of the oldest and most beloved religious image in the Philippines. Story has that this image survives a fire unscathed. Some say it has miracles power to can feel the faith and devotion. In their air light, the candles say a prayer and feel the grasya of the Santo Niño, ayay ka pindot.
Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me.
Our final stop in Cebu City is at Fort San Pedro. This was the ultimate defense against pirates and dividers back in the day. Can you picture the cannons booming, the soldiers stand guard. Now it's a beautiful, peaceful park where you can stroll through history, soak up their atmosphere. You can almost hear the echoes of the past. Plus, it is plus is the perfect spot for the selfies, smile, mga gwapo o gwapa. Kawasan Falls, a waterfall wonderland. Alright mga barkada, time to trip those city vibes for someone serious nature. We're heading south to the one and only Kawasan Falls. This isn't just a waterfalls, it is a multi-tiered turquoise paradise. I mean, just look at the water is like swimming in the liquid gemstone. Was brave enough to my considering serious. Guys, it is underlined as you'll never forget. Well, let just say a slight cast of kahadlo first, but it was totally worth it.
Kada hakbang sa lupay para akong inaalon at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Pigang-piga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad.
Mga kauban, that brings us to the end of our Cebu adventure. Vital! It's been so fast. I hope you have amazing time exploring the history, the nature, and the underwater wonders of these incredible islands. Always keep your hearts, the katahum, kultura, and like the kalipay of the being Cebuan, and the spread that around the world. Again, I am Kuya JP. Dagang salamat joining me on this dive. On behalf of the Travel Express, I would like to thank you all for choosing your travel agency. Seriously, you guys have been awesome. I hope you all come back, visit Cebu again soon. But until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and always keep the Cebu spirit alive. In your hearts, padayon, thank you, and good night.